Have you ever wondered what's happening inside your body right now? It's a busy place. Two special words help us understand it all: anatomy and physiology. Think of anatomy as a map. It shows you where everything is. It tells you the names of all the parts, like your heart, your lungs, and your brain. Anatomy is the study of the body's structure. It's about knowing what the different bits are called and how they fit together. It's like learning the names of all the pieces in a very complicated but amazing puzzle. Knowing this map is the first step to understanding how you work. Now, if anatomy is the map, then physiology is the story of what happens on that map. Physiology explains how all those body parts work. It's not just about knowing you have a heart. It's about understanding how your heart pumps blood around your body. It's the science of function. Why do you breathe? How do your muscles move? How does your brain send messages? Physiology answers these how and why questions. It tells us the jobs that each part of our body does, every second of every day, to keep us alive and well. It's the action-packed story of your life. These two sciences are best friends. They always go together. You can't really understand one without the other. Imagine trying to explain how a car works without knowing what an engine or a wheel is. That would be very difficult. In the same way you need anatomy, the parts, to understand physiology, how the parts work. For example, anatomy tells us the shape and location of the stomach. Physiology then explains how that stomach uses its unique shape and special juices to break down the food you eat. They are two sides of the same amazing coin. So, in simple terms, anatomy is the what and where, while physiology is the how and why. Anatomy is the list of ingredients for the recipe of you. Physiology is the instructions that explain how to mix those ingredients to bake the cake. Together, they give us a complete picture of the human body. They unlock the secrets of this incredible machine that you get to call home. Learning about them is the beginning of a fantastic journey into understanding yourself. It's like getting the owner's manual for your own body, which is pretty cool. Learning about your body might seem like something only for doctors and scientists. But that's not true at all. Understanding the basics of anatomy and physiology is important for everyone. Think about it. You live in your body every single day. Knowing how it works helps you take better care of it. When you understand why sleep is important for your brain, you might try to get more of it. When you know how sugar affects your body's systems, you might think twice about that extra fizzy drink. This knowledge empowers you to make smarter choices for your health. This understanding also helps you communicate better with doctors and nurses. Going to the doctor can sometimes feel a bit scary or confusing. There can be lots of big words. But if you have a basic idea of your body's systems, you can ask better questions. You can understand their explanations more clearly. If a doctor talks about your circulatory system, you'll know they mean your heart and blood vessels. This makes you an active partner in your own healthcare, not just a passive patient. It helps you take control and feel more confident during medical appointments. Furthermore, knowing your body helps you understand what is normal for you. Everyone's body is a little different. When you pay attention to how you usually feel, you can spot when something is wrong more quickly. Maybe you feel more tired than usual, or a muscle feels sore in a new way. Having a basic knowledge of physiology helps you guess what might be happening. You can then decide if it's something simple, like needing more rest, or if it's time to seek professional medical advice. It makes you more aware of your own well-being. Finally, this knowledge is just plain fascinating. Your body is more complex and wonderful than any gadget or computer. It can heal itself, fight off germs, and turn a simple sandwich into energy to run and play. Learning about these processes is an incredible adventure. It can inspire you to be more active or to try new, healthy foods. It builds a sense of awe and respect for yourself. Your body is your most valuable possession, and learning about its secrets is one of the most rewarding things you can do. It's your personal science story. Your body is not just one big blob. It's organized into different teams called systems. Each system has a special job to do. First up is the skeletal system. This is your body's framework, made up of all your bones. It gives your body its shape and protects your important soft organs inside. For example, your skull is like a hard helmet that protects your delicate brain. Your rib cage acts like a shield for your heart and lungs. Without your skeleton, you would just be a wobbly puddle on the floor. It's the strong structure that holds you up. Next is the muscular system. This system is all about movement. Your muscles are attached to your bones. When your muscles pull on your bones, they make you move. This is how you can walk, run, jump, and even smile. But muscles do more than that. You have muscles you don't even think about, like the ones that help you digest food, or the most important muscle of all, your heart. The muscular system is your body's engine, powering every single action you take, whether you are awake or asleep. It's what allows you to interact with the world around you. Then we have the master controller, the nervous system. This is your brain, your spinal cord, and all your nerves. It's the body's super fast communication network. It sends electrical messages all over your body in a split second. When you touch something hot, your nervous system sends a message from your finger to your brain and another message back to your hand to pull away quickly. It controls your thoughts, your feelings, your memories, and every single one of your 5 senses. It is the boss of your entire body, making all the big decisions. The circulatory system is your body's delivery service. It includes your heart, blood, and a network of tubes called blood vessels. Your heart pumps blood, which carries all sorts of important things around your body. It delivers oxygen from your lungs and nutrients from your food to every single cell. It also picks up waste products, like carbon dioxide, and carries them away to be removed. Think of it as a busy system of roads and motorways, with the blood cells acting as tiny delivery trucks, ensuring every part of your body gets what it needs to survive. Last but not least, let's talk about the digestive system. This system is your body's fuel factory. It starts working the moment you put food in your mouth. Its job is to break down the food you eat into tiny little pieces called nutrients. These nutrients are then absorbed into your blood and delivered to your cells for energy, growth, and repair. The system includes your mouth, stomach, and intestines. It's how a simple apple or a piece of bread is turned into the power you need to think, play, and live. It's a remarkable process of transformation happening inside you after every meal. Now you have met some of your body's main systems: the skeleton for support, muscles for movement, nerves for messages, blood for transport, and digestion for fuel. They are all part of a team. None of them work alone. Your muscles need oxygen from the circulatory system to move. Your digestive system needs instructions from the nervous system to work properly. They are all connected, all communicating, and all working together in perfect harmony. This teamwork is what keeps you healthy and alive. It's a beautiful and complex dance of cooperation. Understanding these basics is incredibly empowering. It helps you make sense of your own health and body. When you exercise, you can now picture your muscular, circulatory, and skeletal systems all working together. When you eat a healthy meal, you can imagine your digestive system breaking it down to provide energy. This knowledge connects you to your own body in a much deeper way. It transforms the abstract idea of being healthy into concrete actions that support these amazing systems that are working so hard for you every single day. So, be curious about your body. Learning about anatomy and physiology isn't just for school. It's a lifelong skill. The more you know about how your body works, the better you can care for it. This basic understanding is the first step towards a healthier and happier life. You are the expert on your own body, and by learning its language, you gain the power to keep it running beautifully for years to come. Your body is your story, and now you know how to start reading its incredible chapters. Keep exploring this amazing machine.